Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is Incampo. I've been a graphic designer in New York City for the past 6 years, and I'm here to share with you some of my tips and tricks. Tip number 4 is take a break. Now, you may be thinking, that's not really a design tip. Well, I'm looking at taking a break in terms of design. And what I mean by that is, when you're working on design, sometimes you can get burnt out, you'll hit a block, you just really creatively can't solve the problem in front of you. And I found the one solution that always works for me is to take a quick break. And taking a break could just mean getting up from the computer, taking a stroll around the office, and really looking at things around you and just trying to get some visual inspiration from just the everyday life. One instance that I really remember doing this was I was working on a logo and I just could not crack it. And so I decided to take a little walk around the office and I saw a fire safety sign, and one of the symbols really spoke to me. So when I went back to my desk, I decided to try to utilize something similar to that, and it ended up being a fantastic logo that I really, really love. That is just one instance, but this happens to me all the time. Taking a break, really, I could come back with a fresh perspective and really solve that problem the way it's meant to be solved, instead of trying to push something out that is just not coming when I was sitting there before. So there you have it. That's design tip number 4. I really hope you guys enjoyed and took something out of this, and I'm constantly going to be making new tips, so please leave what you want to hear in the comments and I can try and get that to you. So I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.